2020, AI beat an experienced Air Force pilot 5 times in a dogfight. In 2024, AI flew an F-16 against a human-piloted F-16. Autonomy is here. Self-driving cars, delivery drones, large language models, and we're bordering on AI agents. All the latest defense technology companies are talking about AI in their products. But what about our actual armed forces? Let's talk about Darpa ACE, the AI jet fighter program.
Darpa, shaping the future.
Since 1958, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, has been on the forefront of technological innovation. DARPA's innovations help lead to the internet as we know it today, automated voice recognition, GPS receivers small enough to fit in consumer devices, and early investments in mRNA technology. The list is actually much longer. I'll leave a link in the description. Have a look, it's gonna blow your mind. Now, being an elite Air Force pilot is next level difficult. Luke Air Force Base trains 280 F-16 pilots every year. Precise height, weight, and vision requirements will be the absolute easiest on the list. In any extreme scenario, you'd be dealing with elevated heart rates while undergoing G-forces where if your arm weighs 7 pounds at 1 G, it weighs 42 pounds at 6 Gs. You'll be processing multiple data streams including an advanced HUD and HOTAS. That's the complex joystick-like controls of a fighter. Maintaining situational awareness of the environment, and at the helm of millions of dollars worth of firepower. DARPA launched the Air Combat Evolution Program, or ACE, to develop AI systems for aerial combat. ACE applies artificial intelligence to dogfighting scenarios in experiments of increasing realism while simultaneously implementing methods to measure, calibrate, increase, and predict human trust in combat autonomy. The idea for ACE is to build this human-machine interface, this interaction to get better pilot outcomes. Higher level cognitive functions like developing an engagement strategy and selecting and prioritizing targets, that's going to be performed by a human. Lower level functions like details of an aircraft maneuver and engagement tactics is left to the autonomous system. In August 2020, the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory executed the Alpha Dogfight Trials, a competition where 8 teams' AI systems flew simulated F-16s in one-on-one aerial dogfights. The champion then went on to face an experienced pilot, and the result of AI fighter pilot versus experienced human was a 5-0 sweep. Late 2024, the ACE program achieved the first ever in-air test of AI algorithms autonomously flying an F-16 against a human-piloted F-16. We talked about Hivemind and Shield AI before. Well, let's make an important connection. In July of 2021, Shield AI acquired Heron Systems. Heron Systems was a company whose AI software Falcon won Alpha Dogfight trials and ultimately defeated an experienced pilot 5-0. Hivemind is Shield AI's AI-powered autonomy platform that enables rapid deployment and adaptation to a wide range of missions through specialized pilots. The system allows unmanned aircraft to operate independently without GPS or communications, a key piece of Heron Systems. As of April 2024, Shield AI has already integrated Hivemind into several aircraft types: 3 classes of quadcopters, their own VBAT drone, the F-16 fighter jet, and the Kratos-made MQM-178 firejet drone. Easily replaceable autonomous drones are one thing and absolutely not anything to ignore. But placing more autonomy into the cockpit to make use of billion-dollar platforms is a whole different beast. The development of autonomous combat systems is a huge shift of where we've traditionally been, especially in regards to aerial combat. DARPA sees the single human pilot as becoming a mission commander, coordinating multiple autonomous unmanned platforms from within a manned aircraft. As we offload more to autonomous systems, the idea is to power humans even more. And that's what this program is making really great progress on. On a side note, this isn't just a US focused thing. China is developing their own autonomous system for their own jets. Question for you. As we revisit DARPA and how all of those items became commercially applicable, things that the consumers could benefit and enjoy from, does something like AI for fighter pilots quite connect back enough to where we could see consumer benefits in the future, or is it just too darn specific? If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to the channel and please leave a comment. What do you think about this tech in general? I really appreciate all the support and I look forward to keep going and trying to go at this nice cadence of more frequent releases. But what takes a lot of time is editing. What takes a lot of time is writing these larger and longer videos. So all the support really means a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care.